Welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Today, multiple videos are gonna drop. This is the first one. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the Dr. Beenie man. Quote unquote doctor. I mean, don't actually go to him if your heart or your kidney or your lungs are fail, because you're guaranteed to be dead. They're them type of doctor then. But anyway, the Dr. Beenie man. I'm going to talk about the facts that bad mind really can't done. Beenie man step out in an outfit that the PIA movement actually contributed to. Yes. Supplied the materials. I know me see be people I laugh off for the outfit and say all kind of things. I'm going to talk about it. I'm going to address it now. I'm going to talk to the bad mind people. I'm going to talk to them about Beenie man outfit and break it down for them. I'm going to talk about the facts that people are Photoshop stick. Right? In one boot. Remove Beenie man foot them and Photoshop and stick in one boot. That's how far people I carry the bad mind. And it wouldn't be a problem if the PIA never supplied the materials to the clothes. I will not try to mash up my business. I'm going to talk about it. Couple things. First up, my Patreon birthday shout out. This one goes out to Shadow Mixter. Real veteran of the PIA. One of the most tired for hearing that now. But that's because of the truth. Of the truth. From 2019. From them time there. Try to mix to big up yourself. Hope you enjoy the day. You know, try to one of them people who have all kind of reasoning with, you know. Matter of fact, last time me and my reason, we reason about somebody with enough people I lick me about. Yes, a particular African leader. What's a little YouTuber? Now you're a type of leader them there. All the people are asking about try but I wonder if I'm ready for that video there. I wonder if I'm ready for that video there because that video is going to break on the heart. Just like Richard Curry break on the heart when he thinks so on the phone. The new black revolutionary master around there, just one different master. I don't know if I'm ready for that video there. If I'm ready for that video there, I might drop it next week Sunday. Just I wonder if I'm ready. If I'm not ready, let me know because I nobody drop the video. I know you don't want to break nobody's heart. Maybe sometimes it's good for people to live in a lie. Maybe. But if I'm ready for it, can drop it next week Sunday still. All I can say is Mr. Chin and Putin are some tactical geniuses. That's all I can say. Tactical geniuses. There's no other way to describe it. Anyway, we can get into the video. We are stepping on your screen right now. The Dr. Beenie man. The outfit we are look on. The materials, everything was supplied by the local YouTuber. Yes. How we sell him the material. Look on the boot. Look on the clothes, head to toe. The reason why you don't know what you're looking at, the reason why we're not laughing at Beenie man, is because them style you out on the tax bracket. The style we are look on, the clothes we are look on, the material we are look on, that right there so is crocodile clitoris. How we supply it. Somebody link me and say, look at YouTuber. Me say I have one material. Then crocodile clitoris. I go one 10 yard. And I go also one 3 yard of the unicorn labia. We want to build something give Beenie man for Beenie man shell on everybody. Cause too much man are going like say them ready for the world. Too much man are going like say them a fashion icon. Too much man are going like say them a top fashion dread. Like they want to knock Beenie man off him throne. I say alright, say less. Say less. I ask them say, what's the inspiration? Cause I don't know as a top fashion designer when you have design something. Not just clothes, even one car or something. Sometimes you have an inspiration. It might come from nature, it might come from a building or something. What's the inspiration for the outfit you want me? Supply the materials and design for Beenie man. Them say look at YouTuber. the inspiration for this outfit. The inspiration, the look where Beenie Man a try go for, it's a tampon. I want to give him a tampon look. Me say alright, say less. Don't say another word. Tampon you want, tampon you shall get. You never see it. Look good, no man. Look good, no man. You see, the reason why you never pick up on this, because you don't have the eyesight for them level of fashion, yeah. And any dopey bad can take one tampon and turn it in a style and pattern. And any dopey bad can take a tampon and turn it in a style and pattern. Sooner laugh off a Beenie Man. True, can't afford the crocodile clitoris. Me hear the jokes them, you know. I wonder who make that, or who for material that. Remember say one time when I this the outfit, you know, this the PIA, because the PIA supply the crocodile clitoris outfit. Look on the board, crocodile clitoris. Look on the suit, good. The reason why you don't understand what you're looking at is because, as me say, your eyesight them just too poor. Matter of fact, everybody will laugh at Beenie Man right now and they laugh at this outfit and I make all kind of talk. When time I listen to it, you know what I realize? It's giving broke. It's giving peasant. It's giving middle class. It's giving lower middle class. It's giving food stamp. It's giving path program. If you're broke, just say so. Stop bad mind the doctor. Stop bad mind the doctor. To show you how bad mind Jamaicans are. Children can't afford the clothes and boot. The Beenie Man a beat. Them go as far as for Photoshop some stick in the boot. Which one I know? Bad mind Irish Saxons Photoshop 2 pieces of stick in one boot. Because me I don't know say that is not Beenie Man foot then. Beenie Man foot then can't look so. Otherwise me the name Beenie foot. That can't be nobody foot. No foot can't look so. That right there says 2 pieces of twig off one tree. But just because when you hear say Beenie Man buy the Lamborghini, just because you hear say Beenie Man buy the Benz and the Beamer, and him on top of it, him go link the local YouTuber and get an outfit make out a crocodile clitoris from head to toe, this is what on resort to. This is what on resort to. This is why you can't be nothing with Jamaicans, you know. Can't be nothing with Jamaicans. Because once them see a step out with a style them not have, instead of asking they say, yo bro, who supply the clothes? What kind of material this? This is not cotton. This is not suede. This is not corduroy. What is? And then make Beenie Man tell us, you know, so a crocodile clitoris, this may get it from the local YouTuber. Instead of doing that, we not try talk down on the swagger. We not bad mind the swagger. A Photoshop all to stick in one boot. Like we not try violate the doctor. We know that's not Beenie Man foot them guy. We know that's Photoshop. Cause we know say if that was Beenie Man foot them, by the time he walk around 2 times, he foot pop. And he foot no pop. So Photoshop. It's giving bad mind. It's giving envy. Stay in your tax bracket. It's giving poverty. It's giving minimum wage. But that's why you don't understand what you're looking at. Because your eyes have been conditioned to broke swag. A t-shirt and one jeans and one sneakers are broke swag that. Right now the thing gone to Paris. Milan. That's the thing there. Paris, Milan. So when you now laugh off a Beenie Man outfit and at this the material, remember say the material is crocodile clitoris. More side, a look up our tight is unicorn labia. Remember who supplied. So if you hear this the material, then you hear this the local YouTuber. And if you hear this the local YouTuber, we have a problem. You must say Beenie Man say him don't know. The fussy them don't like him now. This is why. Too much swag, too much style. Too much material only never hear about yet. I know it's hard, but contain on the bad mind, please. Contain it. Beenie Man, they don't know it guard, we know his style. Next time you want to make a suit, we have one extra 40 yards of material ready for you. Any style you want. This time the outfit was inspired by a tampon. Next time it can be inspired by a pad. I don't know. Give one suit with two little things that flap on the side. Cause you have to have the eyesight for the fashion. You have to have the talent. You have to just know how to see them things there. You have to know how to look on a tampon and say, how can I turn this into fashion? How can I turn a tampon into swag? Them things are bigger down the Jamaicans, way bigger down, staying on the lane. I say it's giving minimum wage, it's giving part program. Leave the general alone. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Outer squad, stay circling. Bless.